Here's some tissue paper. Fight with that.
Yeah.
Fight with that tissue paper.
Nat King Cole we love.
Oh yes, that's another CD.
The very thought of you is one of those things. DVD.
I lucked out.
There's a CD. You know another one with Rhoda.
Oh, it's Dean Martin and Valerie Harper. It's the Dean Martin Rose, Suzanne Summers and Valerie Harper.
That's Suzanne?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, is that yours except for Bruce's?
Yes.
All right, so Mom gets to open hers now.
Rip torn.
That'll keep you entertained for a while, Dad.
We have more stuff than we need.
Yeah, well I'm getting the box back.
Oh, you're getting this box back?
Yeah.
It's a DVD player.
Oh, it's something in here. She wants that back.
Oh wow. It's movie time.
Hot in Cleveland, season 2.
Yeah,
really?
so there's some of them on there that we haven't seen and there's extras.
Oh, good.
So it was so cheap at the garage sale I couldn't not get it.
Just correct.
And there's 3 of them. All right, say hi to Bruce.
Hi,
Hi,
Bruce.
Okay, I'm stopping.
Thank you for this.
Oh no, you can't open until he calls.
Oh.
Till he calls.
He's gonna call.
You're telling when he'll call.
All right, well hang